Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how I created this look using the Urban Decay Stone palette. Oh my god, I am so excited to show you guys this tutorial as I had so much fun creating this look. Now without wasting any more time, let's get started. I'm starting by prepping my face with this Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched face base to create a smooth plum canvas. This acts like a primer too, but I still prefer adding extra protection, so I'm adding the Niod Photography fluid too. I'm using the 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐊𝐃𝐎𝐖𝐍 brush to add this all over my face and neck. Next, I'm adding the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation in 7.0. I'm again using the 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐊𝐃 brush to spread and blend. Next, I'm adding my all-time favorite concealer, the Estee Lauder Double Wear in the shade 3W Medium Warm. I'm adding this under eye, bridge of the nose and chin. Then I'm adding the Huda Beauty Tantour on my cheekbone and the side of my nose. I'm gonna start by blending the concealer with the Fenty Beauty sponge using the MAC Duo Fiber brush to blend the contouring. Next, I'm adding the Fenty Beauty powder all over my face. I'm first using a small brush to add powder wherever I added concealer, and then a large fluffy brush for the rest of my face and neck. Next, I'm adding the Dior contouring on my cheekbone and then on my jawline for a chisel look. Next, I'm adding the Aladdin highlighter by MAC right above the contouring, the bridge of the nose, on the cupid bow and on my chin. Next, I'm adding my favorite blush called Pinch Me. Smile and add on the apple of your cheeks and merge into the contouring. Next, I'm doing my eyebrows with the Urban Decay Brow Blade in the shade Dark Grapes. I did my eyebrows off camera. Then I'm adding the Urban Decay primer all over my eyelid till the brow bone. I'm using a brush to add that as my nails are long. And now finally, the star of my show, the Urban Decay Stone palette. The packaging is life. I'm keeping the empty box for a really good friend of mine as she loved it and I've asked her to keep on in it. Like all Urban Decay palette, this comes with a brush too and some beautiful shimmery shades. I'm starting by taking the shade on a blending brush and adding it to the crease, going back and forth on the crease in windshield wiper motion. Next, I'm taking this shade on a smaller brush and adding it to the outer corner and the crease. Then I'm blending out the edges with the same brush and without any more color on the brush. Next, I'm taking the shade on the same brush and again adding it to the outer corner and the crease to darken it a bit more. Next, I'm wetting the flat shader brush with the Urban Decay All Nighter spray and taking this beautiful blue shade. I'm adding this all the way from the inner corner till where I added the matte shade. I'm again taking this matte shade on the same brush and gently wiggling and adding this color where the shimmery color meets the matte shade so they look happily married. Next, I'm taking this green shade on a pencil brush and adding it to the lower lash line, just going back and forth. Then I'm taking this light blue glitter on a flat brush and adding it to the inner corner. Looks like the brightest headlights ever. Next, I'm adding the Urban Decay green eye pencil in the color Overdrive on my waterline, just going back and forth. To finish the eye look, I added the Marc Jacobs mascara and some special lashes which are a secret right now. I even added the Fenty Beauty lipstick in unattached and unbuttoned. And that's the final look. I enjoyed creating this look so much. Love all the pressed glitter in this palette. If you like glitter like I do, then you are gonna love this palette. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial and I'll see you soon in my next tutorial. Bye.